I had to adjust, good. Not tujhe mujhe trust, but
Hiya, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I'm going to carefully remove that, and this is going to be able to adjust the handbrake on a Kia Soul. So first thing we need to do is, that's on the back of the centre console. We need to get a 12mm spanner and adjust the cable all the way off, so it's slack and it's not doing anything. By moving this nut in an anti-clockwise direction. And then you make your way outside of the car and remove the wheels from the back. I've removed the caliper as well because I'm actually filming this at the same time as I'm changing the handbrake shoes. But you're probably not doing that as well. Anyway, so inside here you've got an adjuster, which you're probably not going to be able to see like this, but here's a picture of it. And now you've got it slackened off all the way, you need to adjust it until it binds a little bit, and the way you do that is with a flat screwdriver, and you just turn the wheel. Now one side you'll have to turn it upwards and one side you'll have to do it downwards, and you'll have to work that out yourself, but I think upwards is the left hand side and downwards is on the right. You do that until it goes tight. Now once it goes tight, you know you've gone far enough, and then you back it off a little bit, probably about 3 or 4, until it's loose again. And then when you've tightened it up and backed it off until it's loose again and put the wheel back on, you do the other side, and then you go back inside the car. And now we can feel that the handbrake is actually working, but it's a bit high. So now we're just taking the slack out the cable, and to tighten it up, obviously we just work this in a tightening manner, and that'll make the lever lower. And if we loosen it, then we'll make it higher. I just mentioned this, that while you're adjusting it, you might have to hold this. If you're using a ratchet span, you might have to hold it in like this sort of orientation to stop it from swinging back and stopping the ratchet from working. And then when you've got it where you want it, you just put this flat back on. Now, you don't have to take the wheels off and adjust it inside the shoes for adjustment. You can, if it's just a bit loose up here, you can just do the cable. But really, to do it properly, you do want to adjust it inside the shoes as well. Unless it's got the handbrake where the caliper does it, which some of them do have. Anyway, that's all for this one. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I'll see you next time.